In this video, what we are going to see is preparation of potassium dichromate from chromite ore. Potassium dichromate, one of the compound of chromium in transients L. Preparation of potassium dichromate. Preparation of potassium dichromate from chromite ore or from chromite ore, how we can get potassium dichromate. The important points are the name of the ore. Name of the ore is chromite ore of the formula FeCr2O4. And here the ore is concentrated by gravity separation process. The ore is passed in running current of water, thereby lighter impurities washed off, heavier impurities left behind at the bottom. So 2 points, the name of the ore is chromite ore and its formula, and the ore is concentrated by gravity separation process. 2 points. The next point is the concentrated ore, the improved, the enriched ore is taken in reverberatory furnace and it is mixed with excess of sodium carbonate and lime and heated in that furnace. On heating, the chromite ore is converted into soluble sodium chromate, yellow color soluble sodium chromate, and iron oxide, insoluble iron oxide left behind at the bottom. So chromite ore on heating with sodium carbonate, excess of lime, and in air, the presence of air, on heating it form the chromite ore into sodium and chromate react, sodium chromate, and here the iron present, on heating it form iron oxide. Because of the carbonate, it releases carbon dioxide. FeCr2O4 plus Na2CO3 plus O2 gives Na2CrO4, Fe2O3 plus carbon dioxide. Here 487, 828. In that way we can memorize 487, 828. Fully balanced equation. So 4Fe, here also 4Fe. Here 16 sodium and here also 16 sodium, 2 Cr and 2 into 4, 8 Cr and here 8 Cr. Fully balanced equation. You have to memorize and write this equation. So here the soluble sodium chromate formed in the solution and iron oxide insoluble one left behind at the bottom. Now what we have to do is, by dissolving in water, we have to separate that sodium chromate and it is treated with concentrated sulfuric acid. The sodium chromate solution and treatment with the concentrated sulfuric acid, sodium chromate and a concentrated sulfuric acid. Sodium and sulfate combines. On treatment with sulfuric acid, the respective sodium salt of that acid is formed. Sodium sulfate, insoluble in nature, less soluble, and also it forms sodium dichromate or and water is formed. 2Na2CrO4, sodium chromate plus sulfuric acid H2SO4. So sodium sulfate along with sodium dichromate is formed plus H2O. So here the sodium dichromate is filtered and it is treated with potassium chloride to get potassium dichromate. So in the place of sodium and here the potassium gets substituted. Here it should be 2. Here it should be 2 as it is. So potassium chloride reacts with sodium dichromate. In the place of sodium and potassium gets substituted, forming potassium dichromate. Sodium and chlorine reacts, it forms sodium chloride. And here the sodium chloride crystallize. The sodium crystals are filtered and removed. In the solution, potassium dichromate is present. The hot solution of potassium dichromate, on cooling, it gives the crystals of potassium dichromate. This one is yellow colored potassium chromate and this one is red orange crystals of potassium dichromate. To easily memorize, we can see this chromite ore FeCr2O4. Here first converting it to sodium chromate by treating with lime and sodium carbonate. That on treatment with sulfuric acid gives sodium dichromate. The sodium dichromate on treatment with the potassium chloride gives potassium dichromate. A hot solution, on cooling we are getting crystals of potassium dichromate. Action of heat of potassium dichromate. Potassium dichromate on heating giving what are all the products? Potassium dichromate K2Cr2O7 on heating it form potassium chromate, chromic oxide and oxygen. Potassium dichromate on heating it forms potassium chromate, chromic oxide and oxygen. 4 molecules of potassium dichromate on heating, 4 molecules of K2Cr4 plus chromic oxide Cr2O3, 2 Cr2O3 plus 3 oxygen, 4K2 4K2. Here chromium 4 and here 4 and 4 into 2 8 balanced. So oxygen also fully balanced, the remaining is given as 3O2. So potassium dichromate on heating it forms potassium chromate, chromic oxide and oxygen. This is the action of heat of potassium dichromate.